Shaggi.
Hello, AuntyShaggi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Any question of the day?
Yes, so.
Oh yeah.
Hang it.
What's the difference between fly and flew?
Fly and flew. Who don't know fly and flew? A fly, if he mean anything. Oh, yeah. Number one, if he say, you know, like somebody you pay now want to go to airport now want to go and carry aeroplane. You understand? We just tell somebody, okay, I'm coming. I want to go and catch my flight. Ah! Number two, you can blink Kiss Daniel. You understand? You know, say it's a fly boy. Fly also, you can mean like a small animal that fly. Huh? Like a sese fly. Ah! You don't hear about sese fly.
Okay, what about flew, sir?
Flew. Ah, that one not be good thing. It didn't say when they say person get bad flu.
Jesus is Lord.
I beg, I know what use my mouth talk that kind of thing. Oh yeah, because if you say what? A fly flu is a flu flare. Oh yeah. Thank you.
You are mad internationally.